Hello everyone, I am Dimpo and welcome to ASA. Today we'll be discussing this interesting topic. So if you are visiting this channel for the first time, I make videos to help international students to get scholarships to study abroad, as well as assist you with your career so you can land your dream job abroad. So before we begin with today's video, please consider subscribing and liking this video, and make sure you share it with other people who may benefit from the content of this video. So today we are discussing top 10 reasons to study in Norway for free. So Norway is one of the countries which offers free education, and the first reason to consider this is because there's no tuition fee. So all public universities are free. So that means as an international student, you get to experience quality education with no cost to you when it comes to tuition costs. So all public universities in Norway are free, and this means these are all government universities and not public universities. So now next reason why you should consider Norway is that there is no application fee or TOEFL nor IELTS. So this means that as a Lesotho citizen, you won't be requested to have TOEFL or IELTS as an application requirement, and this applies to many African countries, but you need to check with the school that you'll be applying first before you start the application process. And now the next reason why you should study in Norway is that it offers the best educational system in the world, and because according to OECD, Norway ranks among countries with the best educational systems in the world. So if you study in Norway, or if you consider studying in Norway, you are guaranteed that your education will be among the best in the world. And as you can see, according to OECD, countries with the best education system in the world are Canada, United Kingdom, United States, Australia, Finland, Norway, Germany, Luxembourg, just to mention a few. And these countries are said to be the best countries when it comes to educational system. So if you study in Norway, or if you consider Norway, then your education will be among the best. And the other reason is that Norway offers opportunity to work while you study. So as an international student, you will have the opportunity to work 20 hours per week while you are on your studies. So this means that you will have means to maintain yourself while you study in Norway, and this means you'll be able to have some sort of income to sustain yourself while you study there, and this is an amazing opportunity. The next reason is that Norway has very low unemployment rate as opposed to other countries around the world. Norway is one of the countries that has really low unemployment rate. This means that once you graduate, you will have the opportunity to have a job immediately after graduation. Unlike other countries, especially if you come from Lesotho, then you know the struggle. The next reason is that it has high minimum wages. So this simply means that in as much as Norway may be considered one of the most expensive countries to live in, their wages or their salaries measures their quality of living or their lifestyle. So minimum wages are high as compared to other countries. The next reason is that Norway has low visa rejection rate as compared to other countries. So either you're going to Norway on work basis or on study basis, you have high chances of your visa, of your work visa or of your student visa or your immigration visa being accepted as compared to other countries when it comes to gaining visas. The next reason is that while you are in Norway, you get to travel to all the Schengen countries. So you get to travel for free with your Norway visa to all 26 Schengen countries. Norway is within the Schengen area, and with your study visa in Norway, you will get to travel to all those 26 Schengen countries, namely Austria, Belgium, Bulgaria, Switzerland, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Germany, Denmark, Estonia, Greece, Spain, Finland, France, Croatia, Hungary, Iceland, Ireland, Italy, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Latvia, Malta, Netherlands, just to name a few. So you'll get the opportunity to travel to all these 26 countries with your Norway visa, either work or student visa. The next reason is that it's a beautiful country all in all. So if you study in Norway, or if you consider going to Norway for your studies, then you know you'll be in one of the best, in fact the most beautiful countries in Europe and in the world. And now moving on to the last reason is that Norway is a peaceful country with high quality of life. So as an international student, you will know that you will be studying in the most peaceful country, and especially with people coming from Africa, we have fear of racism and things that will make it hard for us to study, and Norway shouldn't be one of those reasons. So this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for sticking till the end, and I'll see you soon with my next one. Bye bye.